everyone, it's Kay. So today what I want to do is show you how to make a really good keto shrimp fried rice. Very easy, one of the easiest recipes that I use, very quick and very true to taste. So remember in the other video I told you that this was one of the first meals I made for my husband when he started his keto diet and I was doing my keto lifestyle. And I didn't tell him until after he ate it that he actually ate cauliflower rice. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients that we're going to put into the dish. I'll take pictures of what the process looks like as I go along, and I'll add them at the end of the video. But the process basically is, or the ingredients actually are eggs, any type of eggs. We have our eggs. I have two. We usually scramble them and put them off to the side. Shrimp, the protein. And this wonderful thing right here, like I was telling you, you can always find in the store, is riced cauliflower, but it has veggies in it, which is perfect. It has the carrots, the peas. It already has the onions and everything in there. So you don't have to even worry about adding that stuff in there. Now, what I used to do before, again, they started making it this way, was I would get the riced cauliflower and then get a bag of mixed vegetables and do it that way. So if you can't find this where it's already mixed for you, just go ahead and get the regular cauliflower rice, the riced cauliflower, and get a bag of mixed vegetables, and you can add that in there. So I have 2 bags of that. And then everything else is just basically a seasoning. So, you know, Lawry seasoning salt, soy sauce. I like adobo and everything I use because I'm from New York. Sesame seed oil, and that gives it that nice sesame flavor that you usually get when you have like a Chinese rice or anything like that, or Japanese rice. Garlic powder, a little bit of that. Pepper, black pepper, put a little black pepper in there. And what I usually do again is do the egg first, do the shrimp. I do the shrimp usually in butter in butter. I was gonna say or olive oil, but I do them in butter. Then I put everything, as you see, I have my wok here, the frozen rice. I put the rice in there, do that up till it's at a nice consistency where it's not frozen, it's, you know, thawed out and mixed together. Then add the sesame, well, I actually use the olive oil for the rice, to cook the rice, to get the rice going. Then throw the eggs in there, the shrimp in there. You just kind of put it together. Put the sesame seed oil in there for the flavor. Then put the soy sauce in there, mix that in there, and all your other little seasonings. You season it to taste the way you like it, and that's pretty much it. And then it's ready to serve. Very good dish. Not filling, overfilling I should say, but very satisfying, which is what we go for. And it's a good keto meal. So again, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and start the process. We'll take pictures as we go along, and then add that to the end. Let me know if you end up trying it, and if you like it, and if you think it's true to taste the way that we're trying to do most things. So see you later. If you like this video, like, subscribe, let your friends know about it, share it with your friends, and let me know if you tried it and how you liked it, or if you had an issue with something, or if it's something else you want to change. You can even do it with chicken. If you want to do a chicken fried rice instead, go ahead and get you some maybe chicken breast or cubed chicken and add it in there instead. Should be just as good. We've never tried it with chicken. We always do it with shrimp. So again, see you later. Thanks. Bye.